Hui DIY. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways in which you can use washi tapes. These 5 ways include using washi tapes in art, in card, and in journals. Before we jump in, do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and do remember to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a video. If you like a pinnable version of all of these tutorials, do head over to my blog post at IreviewUread.com, direct link in the description box below.
The first DIY that I'm showing you is the washi tape sliding art. I've decided to feature Will from Witch's 50th anniversary comic as my main picture. You can use any photo or picture you like. After drawing her out, I'm using different washi tapes to color her. This entire process took about 5 hours. I will be uploading the full time lapse of these washi girl creations in another video. Direct link in description box below. After I finished creating her, I used a black pen to outline her features. I also used a clear packing tape to seal all the washi tapes in place. I pasted her on a blue background and cut an extra blue card to act as the slider. The card is half of the length of the original background. I then created a frame and the frame's background for it. I pasted the backgrounds together. I gave the slider a handle and a foot runner. Finally, I pasted the sides of the frame and half of the bottom of the frame so that the foot runner have a place to run. You can use the back of the slider to journal or write a note.
Hello! We have moved to a new location because of this. Anyways, so the girl inside the slider is a real Venom from Witch. If you have not seen my Witch journal with me, as a link up here or in the description box below, do head over and watch that. So on one side of this slider, you can see her as a normal teenager, and if you gently slide this to the other side, she turned into a guardian. I've decided to give her pigtails instead of her normal guardian form so that it helps her differentiate more. So voila, she can turn back. So what I like about this DIY is that it's very versatile. You can change the image inside this slider and you can even change the color. So all you need is basically the basic mechanism of this thing, sliding right and left, and you can do your very own customized DIY. You can even put a photo inside if you are not into the tedious step of cutting all of these washi tapes here and there. I'll be uploading another video with the full-time lapse of this photo of this washi art creation, washi art girl creation. I feel like a Google search where I'm just putting in keywords. But I will be uploading a full video of me doing all of this as a link below. This slider, you can take it out and you can even journal right over here. So you can turn this into a card, you can turn this into an art piece or even a journal page. So this is a very versatile DIY which you can do at home. Ooh.
Next, we're going for the card that lets you see 2 sides of things. The washi tape sun catcher card. We'll start with a clear plastic packaging. I got this packaging from a sticker flick set that I got. You can upcycle any clear plastic packaging that you have. Use a whiteboard marker to draw half a heart. I've included the measurements and the empty template of the heart on my website below. You want to draw half a heart only so that you can have both sides of the heart be the same when you cut them folded. Fold the heart in half and cut it. Wipe away the marker lines. Go crazy with the washi tape and decorate the heart with different washi patterns. Cut away the excess tape. Do it again on the other side. You want a different pattern here so that the pattern can complement each other when the sun shines through. For the card, get a construction paper and fold it in half. Adjust where you want your heart. Cut a circle in the first page of the card. That's where the heart goes. Use a needle with thread and poke near the top of the heart and the top of your circle. Secure them with a small washi tape. You can decorate the insides of the card however you want.
In darkness, there's light. By raising this card up towards the sun, you're able to see two sides of this sun catcher. The stronger patterns of the washi will be shown on the other side, while the lighter patterns of the other side will act as a base towards the band. So there's two sides of the card, you might say. Next, we're moving on to the journaling category of this DIY. I'll be showing you 3 DIYs which you can add to your journal. Washi feathers, washi flags, and washi holder.
We'll start with the washi feather. Get 3 pieces of thread of the same length and braid them together. You can use 2 pieces too, but 3 pieces gives a stronger stem. Cut a piece of washi tape and stick it to the thread. Leave a bit of the thread at the end. Paste another piece of washi tape to the first piece. Cut the tapes in the shape of a leaf. Cut multiple diagonal lines close to the stem but not touching it. Do it on both sides. Push the feather strands in both directions for a more natural look. Next, we are moving on to washi flags. Take 2 pieces of threads that is of the same length and tie their ends together. Cut washi squares and paste them diagonally on the thread. Fold them in half to make triangles. Continue this with different washi tapes until you reach the end of the thread. Voila! Finally, we are at the last tutorial. Use a piece of cover as your base. Measure the corners with the washi tape. Cut the sides near the base. Remember to only cut half so that you can fold them over. This way, the pocket holders are not sticky. You can make a middle pocket as well. Cut 2 pieces of tape, one piece longer than the middle of the base and the other piece the same length as the middle of the base. Place the shorter piece in the middle of the longer piece and adhere them to the base. You are done. You can use all these pieces together on a page or as elements in separate pages. Be creative.
And that's the last of my washi DIY. My favorite is this washi slider DIY. You can turn it into a card or a journal piece. What is your favorite DIY? Do remember to comment below, box below. You can also check out IreviewUread.com for more pinnable photos and more step-by-step version of this tutorial. Thank you all for watching, and do remember to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye!